Okay, this is the new Bosch GBH2-20D Professional 2 kilo SDS Plus hammer. It's a 3-function machine from rotary drilling, rotary hammering drilling and chisel function as well on the product. It's got 650 watts of power, has a 1.7 blow energy, reversing brush plate at the back and a variable switch. Okay, let's see it in action. Lock off the side handle. Straighten with a 10mm bit, quickly and efficiently. No problem at all. Drop out the bit, in with a spade, change it to chisel only. Now we can start to break. Everything you need in one product.